Hey guys, I'm back again for another episode of Miss Our Playlist. The song we're going to be reviewing today is NIKI Switchblade. And just before we get into the review and the reaction, my Instagram link will be here, so click on, give me a follow, keep up to date on any videos that I'm doing, and you can also interact on what video or what song you want me to do next. So let's crack on with this one and see how we get on. And actually, before we get into this one, I was DM'd this song, so I didn't find it myself. Someone sent it to me and wanted me to do a review on it, so I'm excited to do this one. Visuals look really good and the starting beat is nice. That little click, it sounds like glass. Really kind of cool effect.
It's just looking like I might just wanna stay. Can't remember much about yesterday. Crown is glowing, I'm slowing my stride with every step. Electric rivers flow by the silhouette trees. We skinny dipping, soaking all of our past dreams. And all my new friends dazzle like they're royals.
Love the visuals in the song. I'm finding it hard to kind of hear our voice. Our voice is quite high, but it's just lacking that kind of push. I think with the music kind of drowning it out a little bit, but keep cracking on, see how we get on with it.
This place, the skies are vast and no one's a familiar face. But I'm not afraid. Kinda feeling brave. The winds of change have nothing on the switchblade faith. I'll take it to my grave. The night is young and it's wild. I'm running, feel like a child on the corner of a mountain and a cookie going for miles. I don't know what's coming next. I feel it buzz in my legs, but heaven knows that I'm quick on my feet and good with a blade and some old-fashioned faith in a place like this.
That second verse there is really nice, so she comes in really quick and just word after word after word, really on time, really on beat. I can't hear her voice. I don't know if it's the effect they have in her voice. It just seems to be drowning it out and kind of pulling away from the power in her voice. It's nearly too much like, it's like she's reaching and now she can't hit, but she's not doing that. I just think it's the effect they have on her voice.
Feeling bulletproof and far from faces I don't miss. So many brand new risks to take, and I'm feeling brave. The winds of change have nothing on the switchblade faith. I'll take it to my grave. Line and silver, grass is greener and I'm on my way. Brightest flicker, ain't no quitter, I'll be here to stay. Line and silver, grass is greener and I'm not.
See, her voice is much better without that effect on it.
With a switchblade, line and silver, grass is greener and I'm on my way. Brightest flicker, ain't no quitter, I'll be here to stay. Line and silver, grass is greener and I'm not afraid. 'Cause I'm running with a switchblade.
Right, so that was NIKI Switchblade. Loved the visuals. Loved the chorus in the song was really good. I just think the song got started off, I appreciate the song, but I just think the less you do with her voice, the better. I seem to have a really, really, really nice voice, but the less you do to it, the better it sounds. So the further we got on in the song, the better it got. So the second verse was much better, and then that last verse where she's kind of falling in the video just sounded so much better. But for me, this is kind of a tough one. For me, it's a miss. Great song, really like the artist. I'm going to look up the artist more, look up more of her songs. But for me, I just wouldn't put it into one of my playlists. It wouldn't be something that I'd listen to every day or like that. So what did you think of NIKI Switchblade? Comment down below, let me know what you think, or comment on my Instagram, see if you have a different opinion on why you thought it should be a playlist and what playlist it would go in for you. And make sure to follow me on my Instagram, interact with me there, and I'll see you next time.